Today, for the 365 Drink Project, we have the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club. You will need gold rum, triple sec, lime juice, falernum, and a lime wheel to garnish. First, put in your 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Then, half an ounce of falernum. Followed by 1/4 of an ounce of triple sec. Then 2 ounces of gold rum. Add your ice. Give it a good shake. Straight into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. Garnish with a lime wheel. And there you have a Royal Bermuda Yacht Club.